Welcome everyone and thank you for watching. We're going to be making my version of the Master Low Soy Sauce. Now this sauce is great for dipping all sorts of protein. For example, you can do chicken drumsticks, you can do eggs, you can do quail, you can do beef loin. So many different things that you can dip in this Master sauce. What's great about the Master Low Soy Sauce is that you can use it over and over again as long as you let it cool down and refrigerate it. Bring it to a boil when you're ready to dip your protein, and it becomes more flavorful the more things you dip in it. There are many different low soy sauce recipes out there, but the one I'm sharing with you today is super easy, which only requires 3 ingredients, and anybody can make this at home. The most important thing to remember is to taste it as you're making the sauce so that it suits your family's taste. Now let's make that beautiful sauce. Add 1 bottle of selected 5-spice sauce to your braising pot. Add 1 bottle of light soy sauce to the pot. If you do a lot of Chinese cooking like I do, you start to have a preference for certain brands for certain sauces. And brand definitely makes a difference in terms of taste, especially with Chinese cooking sauces. Add 1 cup of sugar to the pot. Add 3 cups of water and bring your sauce to a boil. Gradually add 3 cups of water as you taste to make sure that is to your liking. Everyone's Master Low Soy Sauce is a little bit different according to their taste. If it's too strong or salty, gradually add 1 more cup of water. For today's recipe, we're going to be making low soy drumsticks. So you're going to need to rinse your chicken drumsticks and drain it so that it removes the excess water. Once your sauce comes to a boil, add the chicken drumsticks to the sauce and then bring it to a boil. Once the sauce comes to a boil, turn the heat off, put the lid on, and let the chicken sit for at least 25 minutes in the sauce. The longer you let the chicken sit in the sauce, the more flavorful it becomes. Let the chicken sit in the sauce until you are ready to eat it so that it's moist and delicious. Again, what's great about making this Master Low Soy Sauce at home is that you can adjust it to suit your own taste. As well, you can use it again and again to braise different types of protein. So for example, today I'm braising chicken drumsticks, but tomorrow I can choose to braise some eggs. It's important to make sure that you store the low soy sauce properly. Let it cool down after you use it and then refrigerate it. There are so many different ways that you can use this Master Low Soy Sauce. Please come back to watch part 2 for some more ideas. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.